Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician, and today we're just going to quickly go over a product that I picked up at Harbor Freight, I want to say almost 10 years ago, and share my thoughts with you guys. And that is the Warrior 9-piece magnetic nut setters. I have them in both metric and SAE. So I picked these up because I wanted to try out some, like I said, this was probably close to 10 years ago. I wanted to try out some magnetic sockets, and I wanted something that I could use in my impact driver or drill that was pretty easy to use instead of like this. I had some generic versions of these. These are locking from Clutch, fantastic. But you know, you're just your standard socket adapters where you throw a socket on and you know, whatnot. Not a big deal, but this just made it faster, if that makes sense, convenient, and they're magnetic, where before I was just using normal sockets. So I found these and thought they were worth a shot, especially because they are just dirt cheap. Sorry, my heat just kicked on. But before, I would use a setup like this, and then in some of the sets that I got, you know, I have certain magnetic sockets, but then I still have to use these adapters. No big deal, I mean, that's simple enough, but these just are convenient, and I don't have magnetic sockets in various sizes. I just have them in random sizes. Then also when I was using like my bit driver, now this has a 1/4-inch drive on it, but many of my other ones do not. It's just a normal bit driver. In order to use a socket, I'd have to use the adapter and then the socket. Well, with these, I can just simply drop one in here and I'm good to go. So it's just kind of a convenience thing, plus having that magnet is actually really handy. Now, what I primarily use these for are self-drilling screws, self-tappers, whichever one you want to call it. They're self-drilling, but this is the metric set, which goes from 5 up to 12 millimeter. It does include a 5.5, and it doesn't skip any sizes. So really nice. And then the SAE, you have 1/4-inch all the way up to 1/2 inch. And I don't use all of these. They're definitely the ones that I use all the time. 1/4-inch, 5/16, 3/8. And with these, since I use them primarily on smaller fasteners and self-drilling screws, I use the SAE a lot. I'll use a couple, 3 or 4 of the metric every once in a while, and they've held up really, really well. For the price that I paid, you know, if I broke them all immediately, I wouldn't have been surprised, but they've actually held up really well. Now, the only one I ever had an issue with was, I believe it was the 5/16. The magnet had actually fallen out of it, and I was actually able to get it back in, and I super glued it in. Now getting it back in, that was a whole task in itself, getting it back in there without it sticking to the sides and getting it positioned correctly. But honestly, they've just held up really well. Even after I got that one glued in, never had an issue with it after that or anything like that, and it was the only one. But I mean, even if they all decided to break right now, I'd just go out and buy another set because they're so cheap and they have lasted me years. Now, using these in like a professional environment, you know, every single day, maybe you're in an occupation where you just specifically use nut setter, maybe these aren't the best, but weekend warriors, DIYers, I use these, you know, when I'm working on a project every week, you know, outside of a project every couple weeks. So I mean, they see some use and they've held up well, and it's just kind of convenient to use these over these, whether I'm using it in a drill or an impact. Just the less pieces I have to assemble, plus they're all magnetic, so they're not going to be great for every situation, you know, running a nut down on a stud, but you know, they do have their place. I just have them in this little magnetic Torin organizer I picked up a long time ago as well. I also have the Malco flip sockets, which are also fantastic. I have a couple metric and a couple SAE. These are the SAE. I primarily use the 1/4-inch and 5/16, but I've had these for so long in a specific spot in my box. Even though I have these, they're in a different organizer, I gravitate towards these. I just go to these and then I remember I have these. And these are nice because even when you get junk all up in the magnet, you can remove it since it's a flip socket, and you can actually clean the magnet off. So I do like that. And I know a lot of professionals that use these on a regular basis and really enjoy them, which these are a fantastic set, but I've just always gravitated towards these. I've also picked up other magnetic nut setters. I believe this one may be a DeWalt I think it's just rubbed off, but I believe it's a DeWalt, and it's 5/16, so it's one that I use pretty often as well. But I get these in like the bit sets, and they'll just include, you know, 1/4 inch 5/16s, sometimes 2 or 3 different magnetic ones. So I have a few randoms laying around, but I do prefer it over using just an adapter and socket with my bit ratchet, or doing this unless I'm working with something where I need a deep well, or something where I actually need to run down on a stud. This was one of the best $4 I ever spent. Each set is $4, and it might have been cheaper when I bought them, because it was almost 10 years ago, I would say. And $4, that's why I'm saying if they all broke right now, I'd just go out and buy another set. Very impressed, especially for it being a Warrior product. I am not a big Warrior brand fan. I stay away from a lot of their stuff, but these have done right. They do have Hercules ones as well. I believe those fluctuate between $12 and $15 depending on if they are on sale. But I just wanted to quickly mention these. If you guys have good or bad experiences with the Warrior magnetic nut setters, please let me know down in the comments. But that is my experience with them, and something that I use on a regular basis that I just wanted to share, because they're extremely cheap, yet still extremely useful. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up, and if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. And that, I will see you guys next time.